Let's be honest, after you hit 40, your metabolism doesn't work like it used to. You can eat healthy, walk every day, and still wonder, why won't this belly fat go away? The truth is, your body changes, your hormones shift, and what used to work in your 20s no longer does. But here's the good news. You can absolutely get a flat, strong belly again if you eat the right foods that work with your body, not against it. Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful foods scientifically proven to help flatten your belly after 40. Foods that boost metabolism, balance hormones, fight bloating, and even make your body burn fat while you sleep. And the best part? These aren't exotic superfoods. They're simple, delicious, and easy to add to your everyday meals. Stay tuned till the end because the 10th food on this list might completely change how your body stores fat. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Avocados. Healthy fats are not your enemy. In fact, after 40, they're your secret weapon. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that help your body use fat as fuel instead of storing it around your belly. They also contain potassium, which helps reduce bloating and water retention, two major causes of a puffy midsection. Avocados balance insulin and cortisol, your two key fat storage hormones. When these hormones are in check, your belly fat starts to shrink. Add half an avocado to your breakfast toast or blend it into a smoothie, and you'll notice a difference in energy, digestion, and fullness throughout the day. Number 2. Greek yogurt. After 40, gut health becomes everything. A sluggish gut leads to bloating, poor digestion, and weight gain, especially around your stomach. That's where Greek yogurt comes in. It's loaded with probiotics, the friendly bacteria that keep your gut healthy, reduce inflammation, and flatten your belly from the inside out. Plus, Greek yogurt is rich in protein, nearly twice as much as regular yogurt, which keeps you full longer and prevents overeating. Studies show people who eat a high-protein breakfast like Greek yogurt have fewer cravings and burn more calories during the day. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and top it with berries or chia seeds for an easy, fat-burning snack. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are the ultimate metabolism booster. They're high in complete protein and contain essential nutrients like choline, which helps your body metabolize fat, especially around the liver and abdomen. Eating eggs in the morning stabilizes your blood sugar and prevents that mid-morning crash that makes you reach for sugary snacks. And because eggs are rich in amino acids, they help preserve lean muscle, crucial after 40, when muscle loss naturally slows metabolism. Start your day with boiled eggs, an omelet, or scrambled eggs cooked in olive oil, and your body will stay energized for hours. Number 4. Berries. If you're looking for a sweet fix that actually helps you lose belly fat, berries are your answer. Blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and regulate fat metabolism. They also contain soluble fiber, which slows digestion and reduces bloating. The natural sugars in berries are released slowly, helping to balance your blood sugar and reduce cravings. 1 cup a day, in oatmeal, smoothies, or as a snack, can make a noticeable difference in how light and flat your stomach feels. Number 5. Salmon. When it comes to balancing hormones and reducing belly fat, few foods beat wild salmon. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, lower cortisol levels, and improve insulin sensitivity, all critical for fat loss after 40. High cortisol equals more belly fat, and omega-3s help reverse that. Salmon is also an excellent source of lean protein, supporting muscle tone and metabolism. For the best results, include salmon 2 or 3 times a week, grilled, baked, or air-fried. And if you're not a fan of fish, you can still get omega-3s from chia seeds, flax seeds, or walnuts. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea isn't just a drink, it's a metabolism accelerator. It's loaded with antioxidants called catechins, especially EGCG, which helps your body burn fat more efficiently, particularly in the belly area. Green tea also helps reduce bloating by flushing out excess water and supporting liver detoxification. Try replacing your afternoon coffee with a cup of green tea, or have it 30 minutes before your workout to increase fat oxidation. You'll feel more energized, less bloated, and gradually notice your waistline tightening. Number 7. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens. These are your belly's natural detoxifiers. They're low in calories but rich in fiber, magnesium, and potassium, nutrients that help reduce water retention and inflammation. After 40, your digestion slows down, and leafy greens help reset it. They alkalize your body, support liver function, and improve nutrient absorption, all essential for burning fat efficiently. Try adding greens to your smoothies, salads, or omelets. When you eat more greens, your body starts to shed excess waste and toxins, which instantly makes your belly look flatter. Number 8. Oatmeal. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning is one of the best things you can do for your waistline. Oats contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that stabilizes blood sugar, supports gut bacteria, and keeps you full for hours. This slow-digesting fiber prevents insulin spikes, which means less fat storage around your belly. Oatmeal also helps reduce cholesterol and supports heart health, something that becomes increasingly important after 40. Opt for plain rolled oats. Add cinnamon, berries, and a spoon of almond butter for a belly-flattening breakfast that tastes amazing. Number 9. Almonds. Almonds are small but mighty when it comes to burning fat. They're rich in healthy fats, plant-based protein, and magnesium, a mineral that helps regulate blood sugar and stress hormones. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, and cortisol promotes belly fat. A handful of almonds can keep you full, balance your energy levels, and prevent emotional eating. Research shows that people who eat almonds regularly tend to have lower body fat and a smaller waistline. Just keep your portion moderate, around 15 to 20 almonds a day, to enjoy the benefits without the extra calories. Number 10. Quinoa. Our final belly-flattening food is quinoa, a complete plant-based protein that helps build lean muscle and improve metabolism. Unlike white rice or pasta, quinoa is high in fiber and low on the glycemic index, meaning it keeps your blood sugar stable and reduces fat storage. It's also packed with magnesium, B vitamins, and amino acids, nutrients that boost energy and digestion. Replacing refined carbs with quinoa helps eliminate bloating and provides long-lasting satiety. Use it as a base for your salads, stir-fries, or side dishes. Your stomach will feel lighter and more balanced within days. Now remember, these foods are powerful, but they're not magic. Your results come from consistency, not perfection. If you combine these foods with daily movement, even a brisk walk, plenty of water, and good sleep, your metabolism will fire back up like it did in your 20s. Avoid processed snacks, sugary drinks, and refined carbs. They're the real reason belly fat is so stubborn. Your goal isn't just a flat belly, it's a strong, energized, and confident body that feels amazing every day. So there you have it, 10 powerful foods that help you achieve a flat belly after 40. Start with 2 or 3 of these this week and gradually build from there. Remember, small changes create big transformations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and share it with someone who needs that extra push to start their flat belly journey. Stay consistent, stay positive, because your best, healthiest body is still ahead of you.